Defense and Interior Committee. I want my image of the fear. Now we are chairperson. Yabro, Opini, Yabro. Now we are chairperson. Defense and Interior Committee. Or my image of the fear. I am military hospital. And to time as committee channel, then also yeah. What time as committee chair, MPP na tia kunya so, and then I would to me yeah as committee chairman. About for the hospital. Ah, who the officer be who's a one we are who as an woman tricketry and a we. I'm telling you.
Say I am out the banner being pensa.
San trickets, no. Sabia be Jimmy Fobre.
107.3.
Some ombre no na wote so wodo ho Canada Agyapong bibia keka no e be Jimmy Brekam
Yensuro nipa buni
party no so nchen MPP Canada Agyapong won so nchen MPP wo obi kwan kese osuye nyansa
wodi nkwasi asem so ye be ka kire wo
sami ko gyina ye no kra mi lusu ye ya nto amame ye bo femfram bre champon kra wo bon ho modin chen wo and to you be a sober reflection. Transcendent journey. Again, MPP Nyamao. Contract ben na wunya ye wo Canadian in Japan. Opa ma Canadian in Japan mrabon te meka say MPP man contract bia. Wo yire wunya ya ma wo yire. Onu kwanya contract. Street lights.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
Peter ma wo time. Any the contract na ma Canadian in Japan ne yire.
Oh, the whole bad.
Na de won kon wo party no. Ye won krofo a enye bibia ni sika wo. Ye won krofo a sabe MPP o ma sum omu nya kapre omu nya dama omu ma bonten mekasa. You are talking too much. Kasa ni ya doso. Ba so kra de o say 2027 and mekasa pa o ka kire wan. Party na e almost stamp authority.
Jenia kasa.
MPP National Executives as almost stamp authority Jeff Kenom Masa Monsare Munya Husam no Munya Kwasi Asam no na mon country Canada in Japan mo ba suspend na mo suspend mo pam no
etumpa
adwe woni tim nya adwen papa abura adwene na woni tim
wodi nkwasi asem so ye be ka kire wo
ya to ba wi na mnim sa wasesa
Jenia kasa
but on sesa ye
yensuro nipa
adwene woni tim no nya adwen pa
yensuro nipa buni
oya aburo adwene woni tim oya selfish politician. I'm telling you today.
etumpa
Canada in Japan oya selfish politician. It is a mom in China and yengu.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
Enyamia mo bi enya.
Oh, the whole bad the whole
Mama say no. Want to be nya bibia wo party no mu. Ni vote ye ba ko, mi vote ye ba ko. U vote ye ba ko. On chen obi a 1 2 votes 100.
O kan wie no so won te ase de ay wono headache.
Na some who we na atitun wo party no. Now who chairman committee and interior and defense committee o my imraso jefi chairman for the hospital kra no unnim ho asem unnim ho abakosem wabon
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
na nya NDC for na ba even NDC for na about we can say 90% complete 98% complete and two year committee chairman then na kinkan then na kinkan who blame one people? Who ye will be and can we a good honest politician? What catcher was there? Men and me ye committee chairman. Men to me I'm a young ye Ghana from Fanchami. Then we can sympathize with you.
Jenia kasa
Benjamin to make it cancer moon.
You bomwa no crane decay.
Yes, our birthday donation now quiet and if one anom koi meeting. And you're to Bosum. And you're the best for an anom koi meeting. Who are the best? Who are Bema? Who are boss? Who are Cocodro? Brown to my saying, you know, best in a me pen PPBO.
Jenia kasa
But in my me MPP me cannot cry to the Ghana for no crime and I will cannot cry. We are honest person. We are honest person. We are patriotic citizen.
107.3.
no we go mum ye so nsem hunu so wo party nim sa na amanfo bi di nsem hunu
Who can we know want to say there? I want headache.
akoba nsem hunu no ya dos won MPP mu Paula Foko ya suspend no kwabra je Agyapong ya suspend no a whole chairman a whole secretary now who is Canadian or in Agyapong MPP party baba power enye nipa ba akofo na de party baba o Canada or in Agyapong wonu nko antimi for party MPP emma power alam kojo chairman so ba ni bi no woda na di no but o yehufo
Shenia kasa.
and want me out
Etumpan.
onyina nim
Ye bomu no kra na di kan.
me na so party nim me ni ba wi a me nko ba bia no di nsem hunu wo party ni ja no di nsem hunu
boy
sa nsem hunu no wontwa so
I think on this.
akoba ta Canada or in Agyapong sa ni nsem hunu no wontwa so enya sa contract e de ma no ne no ma wo ye 1 pp no some of us yes ye wo nkrata wo ho ye be kenkan ni nyina kire no
But I mean, slow.
ya fisam te to na bia wo kan no to sabe ba ka kire no nya sa nsem hunu no party na me no a won ka sa MPP a me no na won ko ala na front ko wa ko
107.3.
afrafanto wo tu ya petre bra afrafanto o wo hen
Ewurade Nyankopon.
wapem
Shenia kasa.
Canada wontimi nyama mpan no Ghana that's the gospel truth hard truth wontimi nyama mpan no Ghana because when you're honest
Who can we know want to say there? I want headache.
wontimi time wontimi nyama mpan no Ghana I'm telling you akraba Canada can never be a president in Ghana ahoya na ekunu because ba omia bi tu ntino won pe ba omia asem ntino wo be di nsem hunu be semu but the nyame a no ohira no nyame na ohira no o anya nipa nyame na ohira Dr. Alhaji Mahmood ba omia so leave it ya de no ko wantimi ya ba sa de na ko this one no akase wa bre
Forgets. The elephant never forgets.
da hono eda wo se ta papa na yesi wajai wa free MPP mbento peso be kana kro de ne hu sie wa yese sabio yen kan se anoma kokone kone okojina atifi se nsuo na ho asen ba na afo bisa na de na asi 1 pp de ekonyina ne se sabio abato ya ekoto ya yewura Kennedy ene ne nkrofo so omonte ne ma sia still a omogusu omoye na ye MPP fo ena ye free MPP ni nyina ne se Kennedy Japan se onte ase de nte ekoto aba awawe na rasmi de bisa Ken se Ken abato ya ekoto ye nya nkwa na wo wiye o ebinum wesena wo this oh what is this Ken abato ya ekoto ye ade nkula po na beto mitimi ya abaya ekoto ye ebinum kura wesena wo but omo am wesena wo still no they are part of the party o wan wekese o wiye branchempo ni twa na ya wo ya because now dwene se nka amamfo ebe akoto aba e de amawo but no knowing say aja yesi ye yodum ye kanfo udu afro no na ye sere wa chacha ye come out to ho ase said ye wo ye na it will not bring you any victory. MPP is known for competency. MPP is known for intellectuality. Enti enye se obi bia so de ya no aba na MPP fo ato aba de ama but asem de ye ya ne say enipa na awawe no ono na de ohaw any problems ever party no na me pese me nka na onto ho ase say MPP fo e wo say yem forget about Kennedy Agyapong na yen to ya kwantuo so akwantuo na yafa asi ebo so say ye de koji to me 2028 no that is the most interesting thing that we must to focus on. Kennedy there party no wa film on ka ho biem na ono no osan suro akiri so no ankasa beba abonten ba beke se onye MPP ni biem enti oye de obetumi aye na nka MPP fo mpanyimfo mom begina simpie so aka kire ne se yayi na di yayi na free party no na nka wanyano e de gina baabi akase MPP fo ene pam no e free party no. That is what the man wants. Papa ne twen the all twen and say MPP for the letter. Omoni communication about bonten say Canada Japan enka MPP hu biem. Eno na ohwehwe. Na nka odi ato ne nyom, na nka odi ato odi aye ni campaign, na nka odi aye ni agenda of Ghana first. No kra me kan tima MPP for apam me. But this time we will never fall flat into this tactics. We will never fall. Yes, it's a party na do wa papa. Wa ankasa bra bonten na begina wo ka se wo nka party ne ho biem. Na yense sa wo ne ma nkukuru nka ka nyina mfa ma na fa kọ because wo base for mo twen wo. Wo base for mo ani abredenden de omo se bra na bedi wo nanim. Wo base for ye nyina ye nim se oni omo na ehye sumase e na mo ye niema. Wo base for a Brogesha during the primaries campaign no more kasa de ma no ene sa nkrofo no nyina no they are talking and they are promoting the base man kase the base but be ekoshishi we no me can base movement the second the Japan di animo no but what me yepa me kase the base ya I mean the base ya Ghana for second Japan di animu ono no mra meji Ghana enko baby papa enye the base baby ekoshi wi asem na America huye na wanye confusion entiken ye nyina ye nim se wo party no waye wadwene se wafirim ken wa ankasa wonim se ensem ne kwan a wafa so a wasai party ne ho de a kire nipa gasani ensemfo a waka de afa party no wankasa unim no tini wa adwene mu say you cannot be comfortable with any of the people that are in the party anymore. The party leadership rankasa na esi ho no oni omo any in good terms. Enti wakomam ni wadwene mu wafiri party no but the akane say obeba abonten obebie wa no aka kire MPP fo ne Ghana fo nyina say say the party no me nka ho biem I have accepted my defeat now because I am an ego because I am so centered personality intino when a man winning intino I can never be part of the party again no what pay afrim because he nyina say party no nka ho biem wa anka say why you say nka party no because all the candidates are me nua na akua afrim mu akwa ba ye pa me kwasi asamoa bra panyine metia wonso ye pa because enkrofo no moko contest in the premises no me kan yinwa kwabena je Agyapong me kan yewura yaw adutwim sanso na me kan braya Agyapong ene yewura Dr. Muhammad Bawumia nyina no omo nyina obia tene ho ase say they have lost and the person that won the election hear the majority vote of the party itself no eto abama Dr. Bawumia etisa na tie dia Dr. Bawumia is the leader of the party and they are all running behind him sankrofo no obi bia boka etise wo Canada Japan pepepe obi bia ni ho a wa moka bra chempom boka ya wadu twim ni ketuom oboka kwabra je Japan ni nketuom oboka but omunyina no omunim say a competition and in every competition there is only one leader at the end only one winner at the end of the competition so they have all accepted and they are all working behind the actual leader because if you want to be credible as a good leader na say ekoto abana ulusu na enunti no ote wo free party ho Osha aseka ensem a ensem fata the leadership no ho anasa otwe ho kogina bonten keka ensem bi ma ensem fata wo Now the good part in any masia. Indirectly, you are making people to understand, say, they did right to vote against you. Because no question we a true person that wanted to lead the party. Now you don't go angry against the party. You remain in the party and you show your competence to the voters. Say mistakes so one but news I say make any pa what party num showcase your ability to achieve what you told them that you wanted to achieve. Said the buyer one okoto abana one to ama no be gina bonten aka say ye hu ya nka ye to ma papa we enti sa na tie dia next time ba e beto ama. But ye papa yi ye papa yi all ye na this time. Do you think that there is any a voter in MPP okoto abadi ti akene de Agyapong wa regret say wa nkoto aba mfa ma kene de Agyapong? There is nobody. In fact, many of them has regretted voting for Kennedy Agyapong because they thought to say he was a party, what them call, he was a party faithful. Party than a commercial. But yet to about any attitude, any conduct, the appearance at the public, comments binuma on man wa bontintino, a man conform to a man who said no. We have done a very big mistake. Say what about them, papa. Look at Dr. Bawumia. I'm giving you an example. Hey, Dr. Bawumia, you didn't call ballot papers to say I'm to Abama nationally for presidency. Ghana for and to Abama no. Ghana for Fandodono, one and to Abama no muko to Abadema John Daragadramani Mahama. But Dr. Bawumia. Yes, what training who jina baabi didi Mahama tem condemn Ghana for, and I said Dr. Bawumia is still showing his competency to the people to let them understand say why your mistakes or mukoto abatiano. I think Dr. Bawumia is doing the right thing. Dr. Bawumia is showcasing his competency. Dr. Bawumia is showcasing his ability. Dr. Bawumia is showcasing his maturity as a leader. In fact, every national occasions, any national event, Dr. Bawumia will go there. He will speak as a nationalistic leader, as a patriotic leader. And it's the way Dr. Bawumia, all you know. I must be one now, Mokoto Abakuraditi, Dr. Bawumia. Some of them has regretted so Mokoto Abaiditiano because someone who said, this man actually is a leader. Someone who said, Papa, we. And yes, to me be no pediayo the ope. Now, no, he actually meant that he wanted to transform the society. It is not the same thing that we are seeing in Kennedy Agyapong. This is because on one person in the team's party on Kahun Beam. So he don't care about what he does. He don't care about what he says. He don't care about how he sells the party outside. So to me, there, if I should be honest, and if I should be clear with my mind, now I was saying, can the American say the best thing to do? What I would say to the MPP leadership is say, forget about Kennedy Agyapong and concentrate on your campaign towards 2028. Don't give him attention. Because the more you give him attention, the more he creates that environment of victimism. Now, you see what happened to Alan Chemantin. The Etua Alan Chemantin. It is the same thing that is going to happen to Kennedy Agyapong. But Kennedy Agyapong's own will be more lower than Alan Chemantin. Can we say Alan Chemantin is part of the people we are the sole funders of the MPP? Alan Chemantin, they were the men who built the party before Kufuor came in power. But when the man left the party and went out there with another symbol on him, Afran Franto, Papa no he, anyway, the political career, echo. Now we say bi Kennedy Agyapong a eye party no mom na de sika ema wa kwanya ma utimi so de ginaye. Nya se wo de wo kwa upie ya na ensuo atwa fa okura na waboamoa. Enti the man don't know where to go. Onim se party so oni akoma ema party ne biem. Oni bre e de ma party ne. Oni do de ma party ne biem because ose opetumi adi ne yam farmer no. But at the same time, the man is afraid. So be pronounce his rings nine. You can so say all back say onka party no biem. Adentia onim se so ba beka saa. Ebe ye say oya ahoyi anipa. Oya pensa bin kuminya nipa. Say nye no dia ensay. So for that reason, the why na adwene say or tete party na party na anyina drum pempenso bi say we can no longer contain you with this attitude. Because the truth of the matter is say papa na jai party no oni otibonsu na nam na no oni offending them. What is the name of this guy? Chada say Chada nso any alanchamanti nyina koshia ye. No mudi nkomo ye behind closed doors. And nobody actually knows what they spoke about. Now the question is, if you are really a party member, like MPP, a party member, now when you're just a common party member, now you have a significant role in the party. You have even been to a level whereby you contested for the leadership of the party itself. What will you be doing in the closed doors with somebody, your friend Alan Chamantia, would join free party, party fufro? First, what will you be doing in the closed doors with somebody, or one kasani movement? Your friend, what is the name of that? The movement, the marks or the face, what is the name? Shada. What will you be doing in office with them? It means you are cooking something. Just say, Ken, why I want to say, I buy you a year German for. I buy you a year German for. Now, I say, what train plan me at a time. Now, Sabio Nipa no on anything on him, say Nipa way on the side. Menya de way. Now, by a corner, so there is a free no better than who I say, and the bottom sem, the sika sem, the conditions of life, said the city. Sama you are ono a onko but so no so the other gym because onyam at the other side possibilities e wo na nim and before he know actually what he has with the second person he will always remain as part of you, but in her heart he doesn't care about you. That is actually what's happened today in the MPP with the Kennedy Agyapong style of being in the party. Or said I say or tete party no or say party no wasisa nkwasiafo bi so gu media no ma ye kasa den pa de say party no na papa na ye say fo no otibonsu na ho ye mewowa otibonsu kasafa MPP ho a ayete said the otibonsu kasafa sabio the only political party since ayete chire oman ye fe ne Ghana ono nko na di Ghana man so ensema papa ne ka fa MPP at the bonnie war party no Ghana man mu bia no papa ne associating to MPP said the 8 years of the MPP they were not able to resolve it. Why? Kennedy Agyapong and Nkrofo but they ben MPP for the IMO. You see we are say ba ye senka wanya bi amma wase a ye nhyela nkata ye ni nye dan emo ne kro no se wakwa ware obi baba nani maame want to me Anton to mama no ana afishia ye na want to me Anton to mama no ye kohwe ya wase atwa ho akowura abusua panyin dan mu akoyi maame no ntoma ode agu trankim akopama hye ene bi na Ken ye Ken MPP for build you are rich man ye kese oni sika na ye boa uwo sika but uwo sika because of MPP. And to say you are drum pempenso bi kura puna you don't want to deal with the MPP. Piemu na kwe na eton bone ne nsɛmfo ne nsɛmbɔne a woka fa party ne ho no, it doesn't make you become a well trusted person. Mame Esther K bari mame mo akwa abaye pa. Say a build amwonya babi agina. Now after building you no believe say you have become big one man dodo amaduane na ebufiri wanum egu abontra. Sabio emfin gu yeso dan wani na figu nkrofo bi no so. Na enye nipa na enye nkrofo na omoma awaduane di yama ne boro wo so asese sa ofigu abonten. The wuye no ene I can sit here and tell you on authority say many people that supported your campaign, they have regretted campaigning for you because you don't make them look good in the party. Baby, you know, they came around there to campaign for you, not because you are Kennedy Agyapong, because you are MPP somebody. Now, another who yen some for woka edifa party, ne kwanya wafa so a say party no. Ama sound no, they don't have good standing in the party. Because every person in the party will say, hey, where the Kennedy nipa. Assembly or one ko catch the na when you ba hosone da bonten. Because that is the way their leader is. He don't know how to keep secret. Nkunuma ano etro. Onimba bi ekasa sie. Ai. Onimu nsema ayeka ne nsema ayenka. Enti obi biara wo party no mo owo nsem bi ma sabe ye hwintasi a eye the sources of the party a any kwanse kwa abonte na ye internal issue no. Kennedy Agyapong supporters na omo party no. They are not getting these informations because they are not worth trusting. Obi anje omo ni because of the character of their leader. Enti ama boys na dwa say that be yakoton ye daach de ama obi a oro no wadi dia me awi abu na efa na numu pia bonten because or say one word or say one political career akwana efe ne fe ne kwajo kurantin se kwaku kurantin no da bi obehunu bia na waboni ti ase adentia wakwakodi campaign fo achi amene ne political career in the MPP is jumpalizing. No. And because of say MPP is creating fascism, that be. And because of the attitude of their leader, because all that should is papa chia, you as a secretary for the MPP, won't to me share confidence files and for making Japan supporters because you don't know what will be their next step. And automatically, these people are sidelining themselves in the party because of the way that they operate. Because me about my and career see a way. And career see a way. Said the Yura Kufokaye. It is better to be gate man when your party is in power than being a general secretary when your party is in opposition. Yes, asemna papa ne kaye o kaya o kan yie pa. Asemna papa ne kaye no o kaya o kan yie pa. Se o party wa bam na odi general secretary odi gatemanya anya hwe minister bi bewura office ho obi sanisika obenya biama. But imagine if your party is in opposition now, you general secretary. Sikakro on the press conference, drama. And the people has lose confidence. They have lose confidence. They have regretted supporting Kennedy Agyapong because we'll go when you say I'm a political career, I'll jeopardized because nobody was expecting. Say Kennedy Agyapong can come out and do some of these comments. And I'm so no say. And no say. On one kasa ne brother, I fene Raffo Agyapong. Aba bontia ba be kan kire Ghana fo nyina say, ono ne brother Kennedy Agyapong, onyam pipi ni bi, wa freedom pipi because he did not get the respect that he needed. And no say the base movement, me can the base, nye base we be no mo wi. base baby almost omo kanya nsasem wo ho almost omo ye den omo e de Kennedy Japan e be di Ghana kodwa almost na ma bonten ka say their leader is Kennedy Japan and Kennedy Japan is coming to lead the part in their movement in 2028 elections. But at the same time, this man is sitting in the party without no saying nothing. And there is no way say, Obia, we are party ni panini. Ube to me atna say, na amamfo be yusu din ede ako atia party a wo se wo ka ho bi. Ba chomuntie me ye pa. Ebeye dene beye nwa say truly Kennedy Japan support to MPP pa na obetena se ama the base for ayusu ne din e de akoatia MPP mana ye because ene assembly a yes MPP for 8 years omo ntumi ansolve problems are historical problems issues are ya facing all the time up to now. And still, you chichiri ni nyina bobo ni nyina so apaja de kosi MPP amanyuko apampam. Akwati said the MPP has been the only party that has ruled this country since when? Since when this country was created. Mimia Awal Solaya Memwakwaba pa so Royal Memwakwaba. And I think that the time has come whereby the MPP as a party must to understand themselves and admit to say, Papa no onkaye hubiem when we are projecting, when we are programming, when we are discussing, when we are taking steps, we should take it without his involvement. Or be no, you're not going to say he wants to come back here. He can come. But say you could dinner na ye kwa sresre no na ye kwa dandan no na ye kwa mesrobra and forget about this man because the more you give him attention the more this man will cause trouble to the party because the end of the result the end results that this Kennedy Japan want and say he wants to make sure that in the future nearby no obetumi agina ba bia appointing in saka say man ka say temi pa asena meka temi yepa ade aman we pese ontumi nye ne daachi bi no mfa nka asem ene se daachi bi obetumi agina ba bia appointing in sa aka say se meka ye ena aba no so the MPP don't have to give this man the manner a chance a possibility even a chance for him to say what he's not supposed to say to the party. It is time, say, the party called MPP will structure itself in the manner, say, the influence of Kennedy Japan in the party will be less. It is time, say, the administration of the party will stabilize a kind of mechanism at the highest level. Kennedy Japan cannot have access to some, you can say, a critical or some secret informations about the party because papa no or you be on kind of or you contomponi and you try to also count. Sebane say he must to lie about the MPP to save himself. He will do that. Sebane say he must to say what is not true about the party to keep himself as a clean person, as a righteous man. The man will do it. And Ebani said, I was saying, untorn the secret of the party. Not the home this man is going to do it. And that is why I'm saying that the MPP should keep Kennedy Japan out of any action that the MPP will involve itself. He's a party member as all. He wanted to be a leader, he couldn't be that. Why we imprime you? Imprime you no why? Last one, I know it. And he keep on your money too much attention. Like without him, the party does not exist. This man will take advantage of our attention and he will turn it into what? A weapon against the party called MPP. How should they have to give a weapon to your enemy to shoot you? Why? We shouldn't have to do that. So, which means he said, his involvement in the party activities must be reduced. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Umia yeto abani we ya owene ye no One can say he's the leader and he don't care about anyone. In many occasions, we heard you that Dr. Bawumia, all kasa as a leader, na all kasa party we ye jina mu ye Nick Bawumia nkrofo ene wo Kennedy nkrofo bra Chempo nkrofo kwabran je Agyapong nkrofo ana se be ye odutwim nkrofo osiye nyina ye osono na ma the leader wa mejiro anka say if you are not my supporter, if you don't believe in my ideas, if you don't support what I'm saying, you are not part of us. There be we are all one. We have only one final destination, which is to win the power 2028 and transform the life of the people. But what are we seeing? Any panel winning, you know. Any panel winning, you know. He has the intention to bring everybody together. But nipa no lusu, you know. Or say, he wants to destroy the party. Why should you have to give attention to such person? Why? Why should you have to give attention to someone who actually doesn't care about the party, who actually wants to destroy the party? It won't help. In fact, Endra, now, you see, MPP from paying for Echo Alisa Hotel for a meeting. Now, as someone yana say, look back into the history of this party. Kennedy Agyapong has been someone that has always been chilled by the youth of the party. But actually, a youth no mum na nama bontre e catch the MPP party point for say sack Kennedy Agyapong from the party. Zakaria Lasame Mwakwaba. But what tell me pa? Kennedy Agyapong that has been always chilled, supported, enjoyed, called, praised, people being proud of him. And the majority were the youth. And then those people are the real people who are on the street telling the MPP leadership to get rid of Kennedy Agyapong. What does it tell you? It means to say there's something that is going on. Oh, Michael Aqua. Oh, yes, now. He said, I didn't tell better. Why are you saying that I'm lying? What is the lies that I'm lying? I say me I'm making. Apart from saying it's a mouthful, you are lying. No, write what I said. A lies. Me the kedun say me mwakwa papa. But you tell me pa. Tell me pa. You to know. They are the people who are saying get to Kennedy Agyapong out of the party. Video no nie. Look at what happened at Elisa Hotel. I am Tuado. Yes. Say what did the American say? And the way the youth of the MPP before now, Now, omumom na ye the people who were energizing Kennedy Agyapong, who were the people who used to support Kennedy Agyapong, who were the people who were promoting and, cheering on Kennedy Agyapong, say, oh, you good patriotic, you know. And then it is the same youth who are saying that Kennedy Agyapong must to be sacked from the party called MPP. If you are part of Kennedy Agyapong crew, won't you be ashamed of this? Abusa, listen to what I'm saying well. So you'll be a Kennedy Agyapong now who say this is what is going on in the party against Kennedy Agyapong. Now you'll be our support to Kennedy Agyapong. What will come into your mind? The remember Utimane say, Papa prayer. He has destroyed our party career. But in all this, the woman said, he doesn't care about you as a person. And to say, now, on some of the political career cross Papa no mfa ho. He doesn't care about it. Because the important is his agenda, his personal agenda. Now, in the video I heard me, and they say, "Some crofo yo muko jina ho mo Ken must go no." Me assure 100%, 100.100% say. Edru say ekoto aba na omoko ballot papers na ho a omoto aba de ma MPP candidate. For this one there, I can make to me the mensa asijaso e de amasa ankrofo no. So omo say ekodu say ekoto aba pa na omoko gina ballot papers na ho a they will never vote against any MPP candidate on the ballot paper. But why na yekodru say ekoto aba obeto de MPP? Kennedy Agyapong will vote against MPP. Oni ne nkrofo say nyo no nko mpo na beto a obese tue sika kura de amanfo say omonto abamfa nti MPP. And I see say the MPP organize people to go and force those people to get out of there. So we challenge na ekoso na. Yeah, I want to show it again. So we challenge na ekoso wo hana. A MPP security guys, afenyoman can security guys, and omu pushing crofona omu can okre the actual party say Kennedy Agyapong is inside the party, and at the same time he's destroying the party. And as you can see, you see, Sebribi anko kapipan and jepre, and as you say. Kika ni jaya kukuru se kukuru ni jaya kika no so na nso ebejai da benda empredodo se no won se MPP youth akodila mpamfo anim e demand anase omo chere se yenyi panyin bi adi. It is only when the panyin no is overdue panyin ni ye de eboro so ne oyetwam na otwam wo the limit line now, it is then that the people comes out to speak. And that is what we are seeing. Because obi also MPP niya, MPP from paying for asoma security agencies, security guide. So omonko kun and protecting the image of Kennedy Agyapong. Sa papa na no, sa Kennedy Agyapong na no. There were another movement, a political movement. Almost so soon baby kase. Kennedy Agyapong is their leader, and the MPP doesn't see nothing wrong with this. The MPP does not see anything wrong with this. Say omo party member, pachotimiepa. Say omo party member, wabejina as a candidate paying, wabejina as a leadership candidate paying. Yetumi de ne di eti movement, ema movement nya jina so wo manum. With the intention to come and contest the election 2028. Now, sir, party leader no, and that's what the party no consider na who as a big man in the party. What kind of finances am na yet to share who sir? Ada say mo be fa kwam bi so aso anu 10 because we are going beyond the time. Now say yes so there, and then let's forget about this man and let's move on because why ne ho yan kan say opanyimone because okotutu anoma no ho ano de abekye no bi so say adoma we ne ho your friend is saying So also young people ni. Now I sound so a movement or modi within your campaign. Now abra the constitution of the party does not allow one person to be part of our party and also a part of a member of any other party. And then is Kennedy Agyapong a man than everyone in the party? Or ye bani masi or munyana, or ye ni passing MPP for nyana, or what is the differences between Kennedy Agyapong and other people? Listen to what this man is saying here, T.
Okay. No, yeah, my young Busa said, Bruno, you said, Kennedy, I come to Agyapong. On the ability the base. No, I will bet you I can see, I say, Kennedy, I come to Agyapong, the ability the base.
Yeah, I know, because I don't got it. When you're a politician, but my Ghana airport, you know, there was the social, and I book in Japan, on the Bible so, I could get more money.
If I go there, who go far, you buy, who can walk, yeah, and then go buy, open money by wire, who is best with the
I brought so far.
the young man said, Canada, I come to Agyapong, people, and I said,
Hey, Jamia said, now I'm not a swamp. The whole world,
sir, thank you, sir. Finally, I'm not what I can say. I said, one more thing, but the face as a as a young thing I'm looking for the person.
so, yeah, Obaka Sabia, wouldn't be your worker. MPP, I bet you a man so 16 good years. And this is over. Obeying or probably more, sir. Atamis can say, she was sitting. So, if I was sitting, say, Ghana, and my woman. Sanka, who are butcher. Oh, yeah, it may be a piano. But you do pay strip. I could talk her. But you do pay strip. I could do fee. Ghana, we have more bank of one or to do pay strip at a car and say fee. See, the country, we need to have there should be so many people.
No, you're very aware of my crack. No, I see, and somebody disappoints you. I didn't just from the base.
The base. Country, yeah, business, and a church. So go to buy. They are trying lawyers. They are trying. My entire business might be out of Ghana. And they say, when I look at Japan, the base for them. Go. You know, for a boom. Not doing any that so, and anyway. Businessman, so back Ghana. The moon said, business might be up Ghana.
Yes, entity Obusia. Oji say, how can Obi or your party member Ankasa? Now I contest to become a leader of the party. Etumi san mayede din a form a movement to contest the party in the future. How can this be possible? And moreover, this movement seems to be attacking the party all the time. Abrebi Otibo Nsubeka Sabia. What he says is something against the party called MPP. And why should we sit down and allow this man and his cronies to destroy the party images, to destroy the party's character, to destroy what the party is known for, just for his personal interest? So the MPP leadership must to forget about this man and keep on in the building the basis of this party so that we can move on in 2028 and win this election. Now, Yasibrebiano, Otubo Ekobo Banya, a dying Esamba also. If you decide say you want to destroy something, many times it does not actually, put you in a good position. Because and some Kennedy Agyapong can and I know now assembly about the Afadi military hospital. No. And where it is Kennedy Agyapong is even an incompetent leader. Because he was the Minister of Defense, or not your board chairman. He had the opportunity to concentrate and deliver that project because Onuna no command on that project. Dear no ye farm, why ye apart from so one year no enkrata akura na ehye officer e wo se nka kan na onye nimde wo afari military hospital no ho no wanya daje kura nkan because o se o ye business emu nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na me de bra wo tie
me expect say enkomo we efa MPP ho de ne buafu MPP ebia na nyansafo no mo free party no oka ho agimfo no maka na bia na me ka ho metiasie na say nyansafo na free mu ne ba ko ne misa amwa na ye party chairman dia ene wanhwe yi a ontimi lead the party papa bia e wo wiase where penny for say would be atimante asembia obetimi aka emra ye kano baby ye kano e kwan e faso ye kano bisa mo ayenuanom penimfo ne mo santiti we na mo de maye ntiti we na mo de maye endisem ko gina baabi kura na asem bi meka na ye nokre na baabi a me ko gina ya meka asem no na enye bia asesen ka me ko gina kasam na bisa mo na eso frene hwe party semunti bisa mo nyansa nyina no eye MPP nti atogu enu kure wo mu no o ye party chairman o party member eke kasam no the party asem ekokoto abontin ewo baabi na wanfa mre wo party chairman ewo party office amamu ankasem no ewo fia enti wo jane sa kosa mi buza no na se obe jane sa de ne na onye party chairman papa enukre e ba akopɛ enti duru mre bi no na Yera Rollins or the pim NDC adeche no dia pim NDC adeche no dia pim NDC I said don't get describe as backing dog. Nankanya Rollins and NDC wahin. Party a wono and a ye founder. Oh, lead the party no at the winning 2 successive elections. Rollins will determine the future of the NDC through Professor Atamels. And now say asem no o me mekanifie nti no gira bonte de tomane ne party nti afedie party general secretary at the time he residing Katia or friend the backing dog en komo ya media mini akoko frempon etiha nimdie fo pa menya sure say obefoa ye work in the Japan so say on the party so ye party member nemom asemo a obeka ebetimi ede ne party nanimo nyam aba fom no onko gina bonten onfa journalist nko na camera ensi de so na saa amre no onke kasa asem no menya sure say mini akoko support be support that akoko from sorry kofie keka ne fie akukodro so tiatiamu dinkrofo atem yetiase o kanefie efisem. And that is why Agyapong is wrong. And that is why every part of the party constitution excess nipa atwa na mobi at the party na nimunyam abafom no sa cross no ebedi no ope won pe obedi no. What are the facts? Aferi J.A.Kufo military hospital be you see the bang baby a military base ewo. In the 37 military hospital, a 37 military base. And was okay. And here, opposite Prempeh College, a military base. Site originally was G, no, Sanki Fancy Military Hospital. Fofia and Twata and Wajari Abamo. And the MPP lose power 2008. Now, 2008, you know, and the NDC Professor Mills take you over. Na afei yasa kokko dwene ho se baby yedi hospital ne kosie ne ehosa na se wodo asanteman a on gwa santen ho so na ye wo military hospital I say ye si edema wo Yeba beto ye rakofo yebe di na de waye ho hyehye ye nyina nanso na wasase na ye kosi asiso no eswa and wadaroma ka be man asase kese a enka man bi na ye mfa nkosi sa asase kese no so enye dan ema wo enye sa na yewura mills and NDC apan nye kwan omfa so no wɔn kɔn wɔn ankasa kokoa mu no ne sɛ hasase ne sɔre a yɛmfa nkɔtamale na yɛmfa nkɔtamale no yɛ de kɔya nso ampa na emra wɔn si sɛ gyina yɛ no ana yɛwura Richard Anane ɔna yɛ ranking member Health Committee of Parliament Mama Elizabeth Agyapong na our committee no so be People's Mother former Ashanti Regional Minister Simon Osei-Mensah Ohineba Napo also committee any one from Ashanti Regional no more Health Committee of Parliament and so and almost original said there be yempene yen ye dia ne asase nko dia ne yempene empene mo fa nkotamale omusu jagu mu na ana omu jai tamale no ana ye ma so de call 37 military hospital 37 military hospital no Dr. Nsiasare si sha ko sisi ya omu share ase omu si foundation no
another
yes community ko expansion a share foundation I say the same committee na ne bomuja na fi omu sa relax here eventually and a woman sa ba sante no wo kaza na se o msi asase nko di aboyen ye no na di aferi asase no ho asem e baye oman from J Kufuor 2009 I'll hand it over up to 2014 enfiem poly enum anase insia na project no a delay yamfa aso amofom ene dia ferry by aferi oyaneti na omo ye wura Agyapong o kasa se MPP na asa edigu party no ho efi efa aferi hospital no na yano efi sa efforts wenyina wo party crusade when na wo party na wo na wo ebu na nimutia was asem no sa crusade we say na o party na launches sa crusade we to ensure say project no infrastructure man nkasem kra de wo kan wo ye pania wo de bi etoto bi ho na wo de a mute wo de a reduce negative part of the crowd and zooming cry say negative na de na ye den aka bom say na abebrabra so this was not a small fight in opposition. Minority, ranking members and as members of Health Committee of Parliament. This is the fight that they fought. 2014, Waba project no. 15, 16, Ufri no 40%. 40%. And the MPP buy one moving from 40% to 98%. As a matter of fact, on record, a friend is saying, former defense minister, Omanibuama, Ochadian from Fanny Crency, and now one take over January 2025. No, what by site to ho? As someone free now, no buy any say by September 2025. Operationalize it, you know. Okay, any intino.
Yeah, Grace, if you have the video, let's hear.
Dr. Manibu Amadi.
Preservation and high-grade dental sterilizers. Additionally, the contractual bottleneck, which has stalled the 500-bed Afari Military Hospital project, has finally been resolved through painstaking negotiations, paving the way for the cost-effective completion of the project. Moreover, we are upgrading medical reception stations of the Ghana Armed Forces to bring quality healthcare closer to all corners of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I turn to Ghana's defense-driven industrial renaissance, DEOC, preservation and high-grade
Finished.
installation of digital patient monitors, a new cold room for pharmaceutical preservation and high-grade dental sterilizers. Additionally, the contractual bottleneck, which has stalled the 500-bed Afari Military Hospital project, has finally
over 2025 January no or site hono was it September
because he to him na about 98%
medical officer and the defense minister, he understands level of completion of a military hospital. And he says no crown or your party near. Can you really say mujacho wanya hohe? Now what's your way as papa? Now moving on ohene about pricing 190 million. And that's 180 million. I think 180 million. And there's a project no cost. And this if what Jato home fiancé contract and 19.5 million for the delay.
Okay.
MPP at 180 million a year. Delay no 19.5 million a better so MPP at year. Contract and say I interest cost be so ababeda so 6 million. And open trans year negotiation and no accepted 3 million half. MPP at 2.5 million of that amount a year.
Tinaka 500,000.
Maybe now change of government no me ten year per contractors no be one more use change of government no.
Eddie Pesca.
Change of government in a buy no. Contractor na ko minia ko kunma buy ho say. SSI ye tua no $85 million.
How?
Yes. $85 million claim. And omo dia ko kunma buy so. What you say? And the honey near common inch no.
Anti omani boama oba we no kweno they got to the page. So following our visit to the Afari Military Hospital last week in the Ashanti region and further visit to Tumfor, says I promised to complete the military hospital project and begin its operation in September this year. As a follow-up this week, we met Messieurs Irijet Invest, the company responsible for the tech for this 10 key hospital. That is a project in my office at the Ministry of Defense. The essence of the meeting was to iron out the bottlenecks that have combined to delay the hospital project for over 6 years. President Mahama envisaged the military hospital to have been completed latest by 2018, but the MP administration could not deliver the project for Ghanaians and people of Ashanti as envisaged. To complete the project, we have subsequently demanded that Irija formally submit their financial, legal, and technical issues by close of day tomorrow. It's almost 85 million. 85
million claim. So 85 million claim no and the man me party bar bonti make us enye ne ate so de
nemo moboa
nemo NDC aban mamu ni sa contract we yachi e car na that's 180 million no ye tue ni nyina mumu delay 6 years no e kan ya was akofa be so 19.5 million no ye tue ni nyina ya mpupu yeti interest or say abasa ababedoso no akrono $6 million ye no so ye ne edia no baba ye ma na kwakwesi $3 million sa $3 million ye tiam 2.5 million yes remo say ye dikabi as contractor no tiama no $500,000 we enye derogatory
okay
enye derogatory
okay matiwase
context matters
matiwase
context matters. Jansi ebe fan extra say aka $500,000 here. I didn't know no. What you say? And to say ya January yera omani buama omo take over and Quebec say September obesha me operationalize it. Our course anti mine ewura otumfo set to abebio okokọ share ne bo. And it was absolutely incorrect for Agyapong to have said what he said. Truth be told, on every single account, it was inappropriate. It was incorrect. What does he say? Akwakoye say, one on the presidential bid within the New Patriotic Party, no, say ankoya manadia won't say. Yes, that is what it means. A so cham MPP and nentini my MPP hunyakono and my man sign yakotoba my MPP. And you think that a party of the MPP caliber and MPP sorts should sit down unconcerned? I don't think so. Absolutely, I don't think so. Sure. Was I to threaten, say?
Next year, July
next year.
When Mom
and the bombshell, and July. Me uncle NDC ni, and as at least we'll lean it towards NDC. Our journalists, Kodomafu. What can you reckon in Japan? So what's the can here? He's been so fantastic in contributing to this discussion. Yes.
Any nuclear bomb boy and Trent.
What is it? Na empenin force sa abuano onyaw. Let's say on kawa.
Unfinished.
Central. Look, me as an administrator, I do not think that at this particular stage, party no entimin kase one ni bibiaka. I don't think so. And I say breaches and a chronology of breaches. May take part in the research. Usually, you're buying MPPD in Kugo 2024. Minyam penifo ni mo eni mo nyam e Ashanti region e kan ho bi metisi form. E ko busebusa amanfo nyina so a wo mo fi se wo mo adwene nam so ama yen yaban di Nkugo.
What
does it? Me what research output, a document, a bit of to say here. Heading, my friend is saying, yeah, penny for num kasa, penny for be num kasa. 3 clear weeks to election 2024. Many are from Pong, Omo Anya campaign. You reckon you're born moon some kwan omobo edichre amansan. Look, in so tired punchania oje war. Say, we are kofabai. On no ankasa ne die hearts. On no ankasa ne nkofo one people mu a omuni nyina ne konakra na ne begu. Omo so omo abrem. Me hostu ye rafa nyomakin. Now what training nano yeah Saturday training. Because no. Now offering Western North so and oba ye program no.
No I can be ho.
No I can be ho consistently.
So untra party untra bonting enguru party no sir.
Yes. Now him afenyo is not a baby in the party because the party opposition and minority leader very, very influential. Party na only crown on a drive will be yeah. A drum pempenswa and a bawomianko for a campaign war ni constituency futun crana wombenya kwan wuro hokra heading. Ubenya access even to talk to delegates no crana heading. That is how powerful and that how strong how or your pillar Emma ye reckon in Japan. And ne what's your abreu? The rank and file of the party and let be penasem no be breso ma breno. Mimitiwe ma breno. What you say? Enti say ye din komono a e kwan is first say as say ye tase and 7 no kwan for so ye tase no enya agenda 111 bi and 10% 100 evidence a say Agyapong 111 project obi agi protocol 10% no yewura chairman for UP on famra me kantre on famra say me love enterprise
the core there Jimmy say
me call you no me ba me call you no you catch me say agenda 111 project no 16 million cedis and that's all name ansana dollars $60 million. Okay, we can Google and just confirm.
Go.
And that's all. Ansana yemma was a contract in a back on.
Just out here.
Just what you are 10%. Nina so no. They say winning in a sword ya. And in era Canada Agyapong said the NDC fortune about to say 11% now all kind 11% out of $55 million dollars no. On fine na somra. Aden ye man for ho kwan. Say amanyo 70. Me ya pipini na me nia kwakon NDC ninti. Me nkonsultant kwa ma be poso project bi o ye na me nko nwunwa na me mfa offense say figure bi e me to abonte say sa sika wey ana or spending or you know na ye no so no what je ho kickback 20%. Why must I do that?
Thank you very much. Honorable Mame Emra Onche.
Yo.
Yes, abusuafo nti nsɛm no nyina ne yabaa mo agu horo. Maka me de yabo amanfo so de omodwene akyerɛwo. There are a lot of things. In fact, what Agyapong is doing is something that must to be taken as a serious issue. Am I entrancing for Niagara as always as business? I was saying taking it on. Say the party does not belong to him and he cannot detect for the party. Abusha Medina Mr. Mafwe hire Ras Media GH on YouTube, Facebook Ras Media GH, TikTok Ras Media GH. Me do besia, my be phone lines na tum. Usu to me frɛ na watch the wadwen concerning on what I brought to you today. The message remained the same. We are for the movement and the political party called MPP. Our agenda is to make MPP become the party that will rule Ghana again. And the person I hear and so the leader of the party, and you Dr. Bawumia. That is what we are here for. I don't know if Ghanaians has understood. And I tell for Muti, more the margin all the campaign messages that NPP flag bearer Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia put across and NDC for the dinner tem or modi chana dapa no modi can the nsem fatano and MP NDC bar party about power. They are using those initiatives. You know, Hana Mahama can say Ghana card a home faso on to menka a money. Now, no, you were here. We shall be for last night to suit me for no watch the wadri. Sam George, Kwasi Ampani Sam George so can say they are going to use Ghana card, a authentic document to back the SIM card registration to avoid fraud, stealing, and all other activities among for on the digital world. But brother Dr. Bawumia say Ghana card in a home fast was 10 interchanges, and this is for be doing attempt for free. But then the truth of the matter is say the people who were insulting the man for what he was talking about, and they are back supporting what he was talking about. Look at the education sector, how it has turned to be. Look at the education sector, how it has turned to be. The policy of the NPP, which seek to develop the education sector, ana ye kan wasama na NDC frontiasia na omo kasa kasa no. And the NDC keeps on saying, say, the STEM schools are highly important schools that needs to be maintained. But the brother Dr. Bawumia kano na NDC for say Dr. Bawumia entrofo, Dr. Bawumia twam kontompo, Dr. Bawumia nensa mo ka ento asum. But now the reality is different. And I'm wasting on make country say we have only one agenda, and our agenda is to make Dr. Bawumia become a president. Kennedy Japan there, Yebema na sign akoni krum. My be phone last natum. Na who say me maame ama a friend to no maame friend no na yentie ono so na sema ode ebaye. Yetie ye maame amasisia. Hello maame. Ati say
Ayo na won kwe.
ba cho me ho ye pa, me te won ka che.
Oh.
Wa ho.
Yo bi tia o ya.
Ati efo nya ajo.
Me sabafo, na me akọ so wa Ghana ne. Enyo obi, da me breathe, nyo obi na obeka kire Ghana fo dey. Wa ahwe nsam we huma, owo dey. Wo ti chi na woko. Nzema bebre wo ho a MPP aba ne beye. Na bra oru ye. Na opposition fo no wo kasetia Ghana card free schooling nyama bebre wo ho a wo kasetia bibi tite STEM schools na ade jaba bebre wo ho a wo kasetia yentumi yabobo ni nyina ade enti so nyame na adumara wala wa asa na aba no we hu da ho won faso da na Ghana funara won tena ase na wo hu da de menyi pe de meku ebien hwana na yade ya ne yetum ana yekokobetu koto aba ma hwana wo bedi ye ne ba wo botum wa abu anya mo ma no asombiaba osande sanya na nadu oba ya jemi hu de oban 50 ya Ghana bobo ade ye ko 70 years dumedi bi aba mo biara ne busuani wenyi bi apart from free school your be the fear bi ara owo Ghana dey we krase dey wo kro dey wo hin obiara onye bi enti dam na wo dey yetena ase ne yadwen ye hu nya oda de papa ma obama na akune chede mo ye kwa ye ba ye kwa ye bi se wala wa aja atumi da oye na de kura se so ha ma adwen ne dey insu na yiri wa Ghana na still wo bo na adu ni di no hwana mentase na adu wa be ye de ko mo so mo na mfie bie okọ wa katere ni fie na so katere ni fie na se nsu to nda na asiara na muka do ono na wanya anya biala mo ban hand over na wada wo ye wade mamo minister kuna wo ho na ncho wo do otu adwuma wo ye no mi da wo se wa je adwuma woro mo biara nye ewu ade kura wo be ye man ga na wo da wo hwe wo ye da se wo to aba na aban foforo ba contract bi oro ye de adwuma no wo mo ntu ado ewu na contract na ye adwuma do kwema no wo se ebi ma aba mo wo hwehwe ma na sa na atu ado ono no ngwa no so de say e ma contract na afiko no de tiefie na sa hwehwem na frɛ na sa de no do one cedi obo obeka cho do obedi 3 cedi sa ka ma ye fo so na waste net na nti da mpa inflation akoso nyame ne bu akoso nto wo do di ka ho ono so ka ho ma ye ma no nkune nto wo da wo tena se na wo ye mbra se ni mesimiri gwa mesigwa no kodu beebi na mentuma kodwoba onto egwa no do ansa na wa ase akɔbɔ gwa foforo odama onti da mo ye ma ne Ghana ono no ma de bia yakɔ ba zama mpaye ono mpayinfo no won tena ase na won dwe no wanyɛ kan bi nto wada owo ba me ya na anyen se yes ye akɔ forward owo ma akɔ forward me akɔ ye akɔ 10 miles ma akɔ 2 nti oso bo tuado me ebotum aye no kodu a obi so ba wa tuado enya dam de o ma ne ye betena ya na me damara sai wo ye tuado bia nche gote ya wo ka de wo ka face ka ba wo dir ba be ye no wantu brena so no wantu mwaye nche wo be ya afia bi nche wo tuado a nche de mo nye no ya mba ado be nso anka oba akofo dem nso yo yiri akọ oba akofo akọ bia onye mu de ye besia de ye benyi de ye tutu de ye futu de wo party de wo party akọ biara wo me yan tena se yan sisi ya adwen na yan ya leti me mu fu so yan ya do oye sa wala hwe wo fie bo da aye na mado na de ma bobo ya anyi do fa kwa de abobo ya anyi no de ko no onyi site biara odi ko eko abobo ya no onyi site biara all ye yi wo ho ewu enti wo makwan na nya wo ne machine so obotu mu asesaw na okwa no obotu mu akwa recycler na wa aka ye ma so biaba so wo makwan madam zoom la yo papi otu ado a nchonye yin na wo ka de onu sika na o charge aban kese na odi ma workers na mo wi afi de obotu tax go eda machine so na odi edwuma oba hyehyɛ edwuma yefo a wo ya machine edwuma no oba hyehyɛ obiara anyi ho a the masam na ya wo ka ese na ojiska kese na ma wakese ne ketekete mo ti biara na wo gudu wore ye wo be hia da anya bia wakese no otua wo ka ontua wo ye mpa odi wo sika mo wa bi biara na mo wo sika na oke obu anala dem 200 or dem 50 or sa binyim sika wo di cho dem sika na wadi ma no osom no bo nyo bia na owo bi nto obu wa dem zoom live ma no na ye na odi wane bra enti se mo ka dai o charge aban kese no ma etimemu fon nketa ono anya wase bia se na me fi de adwuma na american menyu wasa mokoma aka ye na wansi de no odi ma mama mo hwa mo wansi de hu na ma bo bra che na mo baka do charge aban ne kese na otu awa kese kakra baby ye wie fi de charge no charge aban otu taxes so idan no ha do otu aka cash no di adwuma no break down o repair ebra so Ghana fu ye gi ahoya o de yan nua orukọ so ya ba ye se ot Ghana we bu company mo tum de extra Ghana kwa amanfofo de ka ye da e ba de no tum ya ma he Ghana ahoya wo ba ye no be nya discount wo ma ya brand na mo mi anka fra wo ho no be di no nko aba ne dama ye ma no oremfa ne tampe fura o man no orukọ nanyim na de bia ye bosu abechen na adesa aban boko aban baba ya batena he na name o san de se ogudu awori ye e bia wa aje amobi wo so oba obaka da wusu enye ye party ba na ya aje demand no ore ye no wo de ye twa no wo Ghana ye ma ne Ghana okọ nanyim na si ya ma ne dam ye ne dam da ye nyina ye nyu abaje de ya tena o man ni masom bia ba ora mafo madasi
me da won so ase pa wa me ama nya me nka ye ma me ama e na ye tene ani me ko fi asapon se Mr. Mafo good evening God bless you thank you me have some coffee or good evening bro watching you from nowhere I mean rapper you know ho et say abushe ma be phone lines no e da so etum so to me frɛ my mistake abushe for ma be phone lines no dem so to me ma be phone lines no dem so to me frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen kama e de ama program no na ye kɔ yanim na ba bia ayede kama enti so frɛ na bekyerɛ wadwen efama program no na contribute your thoughts your point of view to the program na ni nyina no na ye kɔ yanim sɛ de ɛsɛ na efata ai yegusu a yetoto nneɛma na me de meka nyina ne sɛ asɛm yɛ ma meka yɛ very very important sɛ enam party semunti enkrofo a mutumi yɛ adwuma na enkrofo a mutumi yɛ adwuma na nkombetumi aprapra kurunum no yɛ de politics nti ayɛdan apam wo mo age won contract free won sam na ebia na wunya nte ase yi I want to explain something to you the enam sunti ayɛgye Zoom Lion for mo contract free won sam pa no ene me beka kyerɛ no watie ne yie yesi unim say Zoom Lion sa company no ayɛ the same owner ena osan onu ye fe ne sen Metro TV enti NDC leadership Metro TV panyine bra panyine no ho eko ka kyerɛ ne sɛ owo TV presenter bi ayɛ sɛ fe ne Adom Paul Adom Ochre man na o handle Good Even Ghana show no NDC for say e was a man nsake Paul Adom Ochre emfiri Metro TV ho Good Even Ghana show no because almost say Paul Adom Ochre kasa editia NDC amanyoko enti se wanyi Paul Adom Ochre di a omobaji Zoom Lion contract free ne sam ena papa ne se Paul Adom Ochre e wo value added to his media house enti ontumi nyi Paul Adom Ochre adisa e ma ne yie NDC from point for say wo si wunyi Paul Adom Ochre adidi a ene ye nso no contract na ye de amount se clinic kronum na bring cleaners in the city no millions of dollars contract no ye Jeffrey unsam because so ya swondere ena papa no say ono onfa ho on sake Paul Adom Ochre da ena meno sunti ajoma hama kwaji contract no e de contract no koma the district assembly for say omo enye sa adwuma no ene me body ma e Ghana for man o mo ho akere omo ana se podo mo kere e na ne ho akere no yesi se opuka se edua emumo kwaku a ebubo warankasa. The NDC thought said they were hunting or they were hitting or they were destroying the Metro TV CEO Najuma. Unknowing said they were bringing a similar situation into the citizens. And now me no ka say sa Zoom Lion Nina Ghana buying Ghana ni ba owo ni sika na o create employment for society no ma ya ji na juma free ma create more unemployment situation in the country no. Countries from another place, another countries in the same West Africa abefa papa and the call mukuruma or man a bigger contract than what he was doing for Ghana. In Lagos, it is this man who is managing their waste management. I did that you see and pay. Onipa dazani I did that what see on pay. I just say kwatwetransa ansana na nibedi achiri da bi beba mo akai me ene eda bi aba majo mahama akai Zoom Lion the company the effort and the efficiency no the shena juma oyem ene nipadom yetwe omo afiri omo fie nso ehira fa nipadom afiri won fie because of what political witch hunting ene nipa 50 ena wu enso we ye ehiri fa Ghana no enipa mako 50 ena omo awu enkrofo a omo ahwere won fie omo call about 5,000 people or 50,000 ade what dey na nipa dey aye enkrofo we afena John Mahama sha ase ema yetete gatasim afena the Accra regional minister ahu se e wo se yem prapra krom e wo se yentete gatam e wo se yem find a way to collect all the waste in the system. Pacho temi yepa afei sabre wemu and His Excellency the President of the Republic, Mr. Dariga, John Dariga, a friend the one who said the contractor near the Zoom Lion, it has a purpose for it, and it was reasonable and it was very important to be done. Ade John, what rasia aman krofoma na sofa afe na nyansa ba wutim na de na wada afe na wasore konya ankra na aboro so ana yemfa ma Esther na yema na kwanya na onkasa yema Esther the firebrand wabala enum ye de na eba platform so sesia ma Esther mo akwa ba wakasa wi
Yo, me tell no atiefo nyina.
Atiefo nyina ejo so ema wakwa ba.
Happy Sunday to everyone.
Happy Sunday to you.
Mr. Mafo.
Amen.
Na omo bipu ana omo kasa no tibo nsu ka home bo a eyi sa wo mo game no omo say friends.
The movement.
Movement. Oma launching.
So onama oye kan onama okasa kasa. Pardon na okasa kasa.
So mema Ghana for emebunu AI for kola. Gen Z. Me mam good evening. The university children ebia owo Ghana or calling who say oye AI ni akola ana oye Gen Z. Let me ask you one question. With Mahama campaign, a dear no mukai, move bam first a year, or move university a year, move free wanka.
Okay.
Very good. Or sounds so din pro na pointy the most the proof what in the pa no what Dima was saying, be big the aura, your friend of mine. The friend is like yo, tunumu for him, so your friend is saying.
What is the name?
Sam George.
Sam George.
You know what check or didn't throw a set second conta with just trouble to him no. Back on you also a good board leader.
Sammy Jamfi.
Sabi Jamfi. Emma Bunu, you follow all these guys. Mutie warm and I'm a back at the man and this. Saku what she never busa question. And then I say I dear be what you can say that station with Krakoda media. Ama akwa kwasiana ni titi se bu na wo si tese ayi because here akola we brought the same but odi atama na de odi all di mahama atama no wo si e friend no doti American no ayi glass nkwa no kwa ni di say Tony Jonas say ayi your friend say Kevin Taylor Mahama di Kevin Taylor no na juni nya adwuma Miss Amafu. Mami ka bibi ntro. Kevin Taylor no si basement aseno. Ejina ho kasa. Wo ayi ya friend say Mahama say obema musika e dia kwakwa ko ye adwuma. Ana no sa video no nya hwe.
Bibi nya hwe ya. We are not for that man.
Mahama say omumla obi amagi 5,000. Ye wudi 3,000 what the bama mo. Na mo fa ko ye business. Na wo ye AI ni akola and I say wo ye Gen Z whatever you call yourself in the middle of Gen Z. Ask yourself a question say the person who promised you say or the 3 or the 1 that na you know the buy no na you need to say 3 one job no. One fulfilling the promise. The status to be was what the 24 hours job eba anameboa. Sani po sankrofo the team of gang of sankrofo we no. E to me dintro e sakuleti mu nyina e no mu ka mu share medal na mu ji wo mu di. If that person cannot pay you a month's salary, how can that person afford 5,000 for you for a business? The Samafu. Catcher Jezino. Sasani Pano was fairly to me amount 133 one person. A Juma bar, Kunipami and San Enebe went to me and for Phyllis I promise. School, our castle the mum first year a you free. Went to me and for Phyllis I promise. Or catch must say agenda 111 or bow back to us so now why you automatic posting that person did not fulfill that promise. Sani Pakrona so catch that will say Obama automatic posting be Obayamam. Dependent to me and for this anima week. Now Okosman the question penny no take basement as na the who fin the who was the kankai. Or to me, but now catch that will say, Mahama said, bra, no Bama will your business. Now, who fall for that victim now? The person me catch will name you say, every mother carry their children. Sometimes they are near premature. So you will premature cry, that crano. So when your doctors not or down to bed them, papa, it be sometimes a bit to me 3 months, a bit to me 6 months. The most good one, 7 months. Sakulani to be paying Yansani, and will be the most good wisdom. So what you say? Talk less of what woman and you say will pursue me. No one will, no to be for live for Mahama. And some who was smart Kevin Taylor said, on my country, not to me for a dear. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Wouldn't you back? Wunya chiba we kasa usu dimini no we are paying I will say we are count me out me we are enya me fe me ye madwuma na me dia ka me dia but so we see we be we are I swear to God we are paying a failure and no na Mahama e di training enkwala no e wo Ghana. What to constitution na punchen e no o training enkwala no wo sa niema we now. Eno ni sa niema se sia ye mpanifo na yen emaburu ni ye de ye ni to wo mo so fe e kadachi omo beye bibi ama ya follow omanamo no. Mr. Mafo, we want to me because nanka how said who obebunu no tie me how said obi no wo ye MP e wo parliament e di the party for 24 years ebe turning around and akwa forming another party na wasanya ba na wabeka kire wo say party na no wo mu omunne na wo beti na di wo akodi atire Mr. Mafo sa ni pan men friend so ye de
Jimmy Patao.
yes Jimmy e bata wadwunom the star bata wakoma ho because Canada Japan ani otibon sumu nyina no oma benefit every MPP oma benefit na wasa busa wo say why did they hate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia become a president busa wo say what are they afraid of Mumbusa womo said near Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yen as a vice president if Otibon to present Canada Japan to become a president what Canada Japan can do for Ghana with the greediness nina was see one on the drum mabunu it was a Christ a war baba beji and mabunu yes to busa wo babruno kwan wona ko busa ne say e dia ne present Ghana man na obetumi aye hwe Ghana for you have become a waste of space. Some of you, excuse my language. You need to ask these leaders a question. Yeah. What to be prime minister say? And then now free so be aye. Your hospital, governor, no, the local governor, no power. You busa the question. You busa. You try so many BBC for about. You busa. Yeah. Power in the one. You busa. Did anybody have a question to ask? Yebisa. Say NHS baba be good na office over to me. Aye, ama ekreya sia yetiem. Ye future abegnia yemfa NHS ema private hospital. Obe answer. E dia na wo Ghana ni a wo tidwom anasa wo ye babunu. Wo tumi nya akukuduro ebisa. Leader bia wo ba so Canada Japan. E ton MPP nyina no. Ask yourself, what is it gonna achieve? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the excellence, no or your vice, not or your vice, but Obian head your baye. Obian head ye and Munyamo share Ghana. Nasabusa who say, Cecilia or Moton MPP at Yama and this one. Sa Otibonsu, Aquana, the food to the trace that day, what a good the odi where your friends say the best chino what your friends say that is bakuna one the oye greed the odi the odi na no na the twin na afuno rabi the yakwabu no kro the same book ejako so what you say who obebunu no wono no onya bedi yo na kan wo me kantro or saba between Timwadjone. Say Ghana for nyina astadia and penifo no mu nyina nya bi no they turn their back to twist their tongue to deceive the disease no so what you say with couple of cash bi o mo de be mema wo mo no o ma twist o ma dwene na me busa o say ukokoko di sam penifo we echi a wo busa penyin say what do you want to achieve when you become a leader? What about us? What about the generation? What plan do you have for them? Busawomo strong question because omunyina omatna bro trader. What can they leave Ghana to breed? Omunya Ghana na Ghana women. Eseso omudu omunsa omano omube bia peso omufun Ghana japade. Enunti enene Ghana for odi mu kokromotu koto abade mama hama. But ensure yiri mu na mahama wo hene. No or to Jubilee House and I said or to baby also praise this song. One year sofu a shimmy for a sofun kwasia for omun dwene Ghana ho. Omun diane say omun fun sika. You are a fool. Some of the leaders because if you say that you won't find baby out. Won't find baby out, but Jimmy be at one walk or empty. But a dear no pajama Bruno with the back. What are you living for the generation? So will cast, and I will be above you. No one will be a Capolia will cast, and I will say, where your Ferrari, where you way, where your Lamborghini, where you way, and then I offer me one. But what I soon who say, send me woo, between you and the corner. Me woo, between your papa was Apostle Joseph. Or who you are quiet, somebody and see an ameboa. Very good. Who is sensible person? Your papa daddy lumba or quiet no. And then see one at your papa could do something so then there's an and then the opia who we are piano. Jenny, the bussa said, Brian, sit painting quiet, Brian, be piano, who will leave it behind. And trust me, Ghana me. Who about the man Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? Who papa no Osronya me? He had the fear of God. He had every respect at the map Ghana for penny for. Now me question Mr. Busa Ghana for the say. Busa one more or more kutiani ninano. Did they have the fear of God? Did they love Mother Ghana as he did? People Samo. We could ta ajuna kokotana on the 8 years or mobile. Covered by Mahama, covered the crown by him for that. Covered. Nana Dubai, no covered. Ah, Papa, a Radina Misha, Miss 1 2 1 Cobena from 150. Babacasa won't pay. Busa who said, no covered the whole way and never be back. And never be back. The whole way, not plain to shape on cock. But Mumu be a will cry be a beer, you be bear me and son. Men cassette a crab who cry woo a ye. But Yadian a buyer. But the person me pusa said, Mahama buyer within 1 year pet elephant, motion the palm or Ghana. No one said Busa who said, this a bunch of crooks, a bunch of mafias. Oh, Pesua Mummeke Ghana. Is it Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is one of them?
No.
Mr. Mafo, is it one of them?
Absolutely no.
No. Secondly, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was a part of those mafias. Campaign because the bunch of crooks. Yencheni and I'm some African. Yencheni and Omunim. But me the master move, may catch a Uganda and he said, Koda, who said, what are they afraid of, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? Because they know the man loves Ghana. They know that the man, the whole world is behind him. And the moment Obaba president, there's so many things that Oba turning upside down, I benefit, I'm a Ghana for more benefit. So the thing is, what should we do? We should collapse the BP or person the Benyana. So what you say? Are you okay, Becky? So what you say? Eti, wamu bi piano, omu seno, wamu say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia niema, or pesa oye, bibi or pesa or the bagana. Na ebua mebunono, they are trying to destroy it. But mijina hana mre, ekasa Mr. Mafu mijina mekiti miyenekedo, mekase chedi ampunya kupweni mudam say, with the Spirit of God, ever for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia upai. And yamu plan be a muffa, Matisa said, look at the Katika ku near the other. Would be a more plan some person with your Ghana piano. Now, who can be more fairly? Mube Fediama, Ghana for Yan Trama Mufagana, young Pastia Dibiamu, and Yamunamu. Monye mu say wo asie dun kete wo na wo best stage ku na. Yes na fabra ne ye twen. Ade na mo tete Ghana sa. Ade na mo tete Ghana sa. Ensuo kakra to ye hwe galamse edua enua kra edi ayu osude ban ema Ghana pon omu nibi o mensuo yira fankofo na asofo nkwasiafo asofo jimifo asofo bastards and greeks ekogina hosa mo ko bompaye ana mo ko ye thanksgiving onyame obetwa mo nyina mo kasa de tomate ene ayi all religious no mo wo henfa omo wai Mr. Mafo the way I'm eating no do be see and food for nyame nshira amen
Ordinary diaba when so far the bra Ras Media GH on YouTube. No, I'm Diana appear. It has been a long time. Hope say you are well. Me didn't Mr. Mafo. I tell you there are no more calls coming. Me don't be see ya na ochira Nyankopon eya adoma asan ababiem near the sempano abremo said ye fe ese na tie. Me do we see ha na ochira yasehia. Me do wase eno bre nyina. Akra mo nyina mcheche tiefo nyina. Mo ma bye. Until we meet again.